my name is Nova Gamers. Today I'm just gonna make a quick tutorial how to change your power supplies when because of the enormous noise it makes. Basically, what happens when it is making this terrible noise is the fan, which is a little bit broken or doing these up and down things when it's running. So this is my computer, what I'm using for gaming and things, and the main problem on this computer is my power block. It is 550 watt power supply, and the only thing here is bad is the fan. So basically, I'm just gonna take it out from its spot, and I guess I would just beat it up here to do all that stuff. So basically, I'm just gonna start unplugging all the cables at first, which is the easiest thing to do. I mean, if you know how to button back, of course. And maybe you can feel from up here. Like basically, this is the easiest part you have to do. But always memorize. If you're not a pro at this, just memorize how did you do, and you're okay to go. Grab my screwdriver and take it out from here. And if it still does that noise, then I'm just gonna buy a new one. Let's get this thing out of the way. Screws I'm gonna place there. And yeah, let's do it. Should be easy. The screws are a little bit stupid. I'm just gonna replace them. Screws are a little bit rubbing off. And here's the power supply. You just convert to 230 watts from the electricity cable from here. And right now I'm just gonna put the computer on the side here. I ain't gonna use it before the power supply is changed. Okay, so as you can already tell, these aren't the same power supplies because this one is the weaker, but it doesn't matter how strong the power supply is because both fans are the same. Like, when you're always attempting to translate the fan things, just make sure the power supply is the same thing, it's the same company and things, and the same mark as the other one. Because if you place the wrong fan in there, it might not work. So let's just start getting this thing open. First, we need to undo those screws right here. And also be careful because the power supplies may still have some power in them, and the shock which it will get might be deadly. So I don't recommend you to do this with older power supplies or something like that. I heard those cracks, man. Let's get this out of the way. Let's put the screws there. I know I'm recording this on my bed, so who the fuck cares, you know? The main factor is to get the video done. And this is the inside part if you haven't ever seen the power supply from the inside. These parts are the most dangerous, don't touch them. I mean, this is the newer one, so it's not that dangerous. And this is the fan which is making that noise. And this is because this motor right inside here is a little bit loose and it needs to get oiled or something, because otherwise it's just gonna do that cracking noise all and all over again. And these screws are pretty much fucked too, because this screw is already crooked and things. So let's get that out of the way also. I know. We're just gonna get rid of this, of course, first. Okay, I'm just gonna put those screws on the side. Okay, the motor fuel, it's a bit loose. I mean, the fan should be dropping down on the bad surface as we get to those screws on time. And here we have the whole fan, and this is shit. And as you also can see, that one came through this because it's a little bit loose. And I was trying to find some things to put it back in place, but as you can see, it's a little bit crooked from the side here. I mean, it's a little bit broken, so it's not usable anymore. The screw is gonna be here, and this is the thing which is gonna cover this up. So next thing, this is a little bit difficult to open up because it has 4 screws on the side. I have got the 1 out and 3 here to go because yeah, I forgot it. I'm just gonna get those undone also. Where's the wagon?
12 minutes.
I made it already. 8 minutes of that?
12.
8. I mean, 5 minutes. I hope I can get it done. 11 minutes to go. Oh, that time is pretty short. So let's get these screws out of the way. Let's get them a bit of loose.
It's not a big problem. Time.
Yeah.
You are faster.
So let's get these things out of the way because this is the power supply, which I'm not gonna use it anymore. And this is just in front, it's gonna go there. So I don't really mind about it. Here, this thing out of the way. Coming from here, this thing also getting out of the way. So we're pretty much able to remove the thing. This is the power thing, I know things, if I memorized the name correctly. And we got this 1 screw out, and this is impressive. I have 2 in here also. Oh shit. So this is the power supply, which contains the healthy fan, which is right here. If you spin that whole one around, it made a little bit crooked noise, and this one is completely fine. Yep, that's completely fine. So basically, we're just going to take that grill out of its place. And if I wasn't that strong, maybe I won't crook it. I hope. Because I'm a little bit too strong. Show that kind of less to the gym. Yep, this is almost done. And I hope it works too. Because this is the last chance where I really need to buy a new power supply from a PC. Well, it's not big a deal because I can earn the money from the forest.
10 minutes left, 7 minutes used.
How many?
7 minutes used, 10 minutes left.
Okay, this is the healthy grill and this is the healthy fan. Right here, it's a little bit dusty, but at least it doesn't make and it's the same one. So we're gonna put them into place here. This is the 350 watt one. This is gonna go into the storage. Maybe I can use it later on. This is the crooked fan, which is gonna go on the side also. Sorry Alvaro for putting them into your bed right now.
No problem.
Because I'm gonna heat them up anyway. And now, we're just gonna take the one. And if I remember correctly, shall we go on that side? Yep. No. Wait a second. Place it that side like this. It shows me. Yeah. This goes this way. So the thing is right there, and we are going to place the grill on top and the fan underneath. It's not a hard thing to do. Hope that keeps the grill in place. It's a little practice to get used to. It's pretty annoying sometimes. Can't do it right. Yep, I got it into place. I'll just screw this back together again. Oh. I started screwing it without this bench in place. Well, I'm just gonna waste some time right here. There we go. I got two in place.
8 minutes left, 9 minutes used.
Oliver is just counting time now. Yeah.
I am live timer.
Life timer? I'm gonna die in 8 minutes.
I'm living timer.
Oh my god. I just can't get it in place. I think I should have stopped the video until I get it in place. Okay, I got it. I got one right here. Yep, I got it. And now it's easy to go. Just cracking it to place like it cracked my thumb. Okay, it doesn't make. Okay, it makes. And now just put those things in place horizontally, because then it's easier for you to screw it on. It may drop off. And this is a magnetic screw. The head is the magnetic, so it's easier. Yep, it's in place. It's also in place. And now it's easy. Just put them all back into the place. How much minutes?
7 minutes left, 10 minutes used.
This is going pretty smoothly, I have to say. Even though my hand is shaking like crazy. Okay. Now, as you can see, the little white thing right here, where I employed it, just put it back here. And now, just put the power supply back again, like it was used to. Now, but ouch. Now, but things back here. Oh my god, why is my hand shaking like a motherfucker? Lose the screw. If you lose the screw, you're screwed. I'm not screwed. I have 8 of them. Okay, sorry. I have 11 of them. Okay. It's making none of the noise. And I might be able to play Car Simulator tonight. Because yesterday I wanted to play it, but I wasn't able to. Can you throw the screw back out of the way? I mean, can you throw this back out of the way? I'm not sure, basically. I just put it away. Okay, that helps too. Okay, now it's back into the place.
I'm so sleepy.
You're so tired. Well, I can see that. Okay, I'm just gonna put those unused screws somewhere else right now.
5 minutes left, 12 minutes used.
Well, that is actually a pretty good tutorial, I have to say. These are the screws from the other power supply, and these are not needed anymore. I mean, where are they from? I already forgot. Fuck that. Oh shit! Okay, fuck that. That is not it. I'm just gonna click your computer. Something fell.
Screws.
Okay. Oh, hey, the triple. Gotcha. Now, you just put power supply back in place.
You can use the pole there and put the
What?
screws there.
I know, but first we need to put it back into the blaze.
Metallic pole.
You're actually right. For the first time. Okay, just... You know what I'm doing back here. I mean, if you film the back side, also, I mean, you know how to put the screws back on, I hope. I mean, some people do. I know, I'm not racist. Okay, first screw back. Again. I'm trying to make it good time. I hope the cooler works, because I haven't checked it for a long time. I mean, it worked if you use it on another PC. But soon I realized that the older fucking PSU wasn't working so effectively.
3 minutes left, 40 minutes used.
This is the longest fucking tutorial video I've ever made. And boom, the last screw is in place. Now, only thing to do inside here is put those back in place. I don't need to screw. Ouch! Sorry, computer. And now we just put this back into place. First of all, the biggest cable, of course. We film the inside so people know how to do it. I mean, I told you how to. Come on. And then I'll do a test run. I hope the fan works. I haven't checked it for a long time. I will repeat it. And yep, we this is the hard disk SATA cable. If you memorize that, I have worked with computers for a few years, so okay, it's back in place. It's our CPU thingy, and boom! This tiny thing used unused cables.
Few minutes left.
Okay, fuck that. I just forgot one thing. And which side it should go? Oh, it should go this side. Yep. I mean, I screwed up a little. Okay. I hope I'm gonna make it in time. Can I make it in time?
1 minute 30 seconds.
Maybe I should just stop the video. Wait, don't stop. Don't stop. I get it. Reiner is a professional. He got it. Okay. Now these are in packing place. Now let's test run the computer first. I'm pretty scared about this. It's the new fan.
Minutes.
Minutes.
Yes.
Minutes?
Yes.
And listen. It's done. And we'll check it out. And it's going. The computer is working. Oh shit. So thanks for watching, guys. This is my tutorial video for you today. Hope you enjoyed and I hope you help from the roaring problem. And see you next time.
And goodbye for me, cameraman too.
Goodbye, Alvaro. See you next time.